communication with customers. We don't have possibility to show 3D model. So if the customer wishes to see the 3D model of a building, he needs to either visit the place of the architect or use special programs, which are not user-friendly, and they need licensing, which means they're costly. So that's quite pathetic. And next problem is that, believe it or not, but there's no online platform for architects to create a portfolio. So this application provides this platform as well, which is vital for an architect to become known and to show his qualities, his skills, so he can find new customers as well. So how it works? Just simple. He just holds the smartphone on the ground plan, and voila. He sees the 3D model of the building, and he can also make some changes, manipulations. So this way, we save time and we accommodate distance communication between the architect and the customer. The business plan is B2B, which means the customer is not going to pay anything for downloading a program. And we plan to go out of the boundaries, that is to cover the global market. But to start with, we've conducted the research in Armenia. As a result, there are 10,000 buildings built annually, 1,500 freelance architects working, 500 architectural companies, and this number grows consistently. We deliver it in two packages, 6-month package and 12-month package. And basically, one model costs just $1 for an architect, which is, guys, come on, it's really cheap for architects. Competitors, of course, we have competitors in the market, like Augment, VisitSoft, but these competitors do not provide all the. They do not solve the problems that we have mentioned, like making manipulations or making portfolio. What about next one, Siri?
Oh, hi, could you please shut up about your competition once in your life?
Okay, this is our team of architects. And what is your opinion, Siri, about Plan 2 3D?
Oh, the sexiest project ever after the Kardashians show.
Thank you.
Now it's ready, right? The office in the market, office in the store.
No, because it's idea stage.
It's idea stage.
But we have some sketches, some illustrations, some UI UX, but
Do you
no
have any
project.
technical guys with you, like the programmers?
We all architects and project manager.
We also communicated with programmer. That is, this part of the work is going to be outsourced to programmer.
What is the hardware that the customer has to use? Is it going to be an app or
Air application.
It's going to be an application, and the process is simple. That is, architect sends a link, and the customer just clicks on the link, and he accesses the 3D model directly from the smartphone. That is, when he opens the application, the camera opens, and he can just hold it on the ground plan and see the 3D model.
And he can do some changes, and when he save it, all feedback go to the architect at the same time. Thank you too.
Just see if we have the time. How you know that you will basically provide one model for $1 if Augment is providing like 50 model for $200? How you know the cost of one model could be $1? So maybe you are spending more for hosting the 3D model. So how you know?
that count is approximate. So we just want to show approximately how much it will cost the architect. But for one model, $1, it is really cheap because you know how
Maybe
costly.
you cannot afford it to host the one, to pay your programmers to get the salary and still charge $1 for one model. Maybe. Your expenses, did you count it how much you are spending a month for everything? So, or how much you need to invest to create this software?
So okay, we plan to get back about 60-70% in 1 year, and
How much you will
So,
spend to have this software up and running?
Uh, I think $6,000 on only software. Fixed, but it only programming because we only programming cost it's $6,000. Only programming. We have project management, PR, and design marketing.
Is this gonna be your full-time job? Or you have
No full time
Okay, so Q&A is
because
over.
we are architects and we need it.
Okay, so now we'll have a feedback session. Please listen to the feedback. Can you give that mic?
Guys, no, it's okay.
No, let everybody else. Help them.
Basically, I think there are a lot of things to do here. Everything is clear. I think you have a big role to do a lot of things. And we should plug and think about the financial model because I agree with that one. It's $1. Yeah, of course, that's good $1, but regarding all other stuff that we have to carry, this would be a huge amount for like
Great job. I think if you can have some pictures or videos to show how intuitive this app would be for the anyone to understand what the app is actually, that would be great.
I think it's a great idea, and the good thing is that it's coming from the people who are in the field. Because mostly we as like IT guys are doing something. We are solving something without people who are really working there. So my suggestion will be to not hire a team and pay them, but instead, like you can see here, the hundreds of programmers. Why not drink with someone today evening and say we have a great idea, like join us. So yeah, do not say we're gonna pay someone to create the software. Just find the people who will be with you to make this happen. If you are the field, this is software need among colleagues, you are feeling the market, just create those people with you. I'm sure that many other programmers will pitch the ideas about something that they are not experts at all. So you just
ERP. Your PPT is still not showing. After ERP, we will have. There's a name here which is cut, so I'll still Formalu. They're not there, right? Okay. So Cyber Mantis Games. So be ready.
Formalın işlerinde present. Formalın booster'ımla present.
Normana
Evet.
oyuncudayım. Bir cihaz sonra
Hoş geldin.
bayraklarken
Nani prezentasyon. Prezentasyon çok karmaşık.
Mesela Mecha Squad 6 հետո ERP Smart Systems. That's personal.
Should be prepared in orada çıkar.
Change.
Burada indirme.
History.
Nasıl inantarsın?
That's the capacity.
Yerler var.
Cheers.
I have a question. I have a question. Do you think CRM can be easy? I don't think as well. That's why I'm here. Well, hi, my name is Rosa. I'm the CEO of ERP Smart System. SOS is our CTO. Our mission is to change existing opinion about CRM systems being complicated by making it more affordable, less complicated, more effective, not only for marketing and sales, but also for product development. Here how it started. A few years ago, my friend started a company and they wanted to use a CRM system. After trying some of the CRMs that market was offering, they ended up with the idea of writing their own CRM themselves. We helped them in that process and then started wondering why companies decide to write their own CRMs themselves when there are so many CRM providers in the market. And yeah, and it looks like the problem is global. Here is the results of the research done by Salesforce. You see that 72% of CRM users are ready even to trade functionality to make it easier to use. Salesforce knows about this but does nothing to change it. Okay. We have a solution for that. We categorized our product by business categories. If the companies are coming from the same business category, like or banking, they are more or less using the same features. If they need extra features, we are going to provide it like plugins. Basically, we are using the concept of WordPress plugin management system for CRM. And we are also going to develop a data analytics tool that is using CRM data to help with product development, because you are creating product for selling it. Okay, sorry. This is a screenshot of one of our CRM systems that one of our customers is using. It's BMW. And the idea is working. Even though we are a startup, we have already customers, among them BMW and some governmental organizations, companies not only from Armenia, but also from US and Australia. Yeah, compared to our competitors, we have the following advantages. We are business category based, we are simple, we are helping with product development, and yeah, we are more affordable for mid-sized and small companies because we are charging them per company, not per user. CRM market is the fastest growing software market in the world. It was 40 billion in 2017, going to be 82 billion in 2025. And our local market is 200 million, which includes Armenia, CIS, and some European countries. Its pricing depends on the size of the company, also depends whether they are our new customer or whether that's more than a year. Our customer acquisition cost is $60, payback time is less than 1 month, and our lifetime value is $4,000. Our team consists of young and enthusiastic people with 3 to 8 years of work experience. This is our milestone. We are planning to release mobile application on October this year, and we plan to have at least 100 customers in June 2019. We want money. We still need some money for marketing, sales, and new features for getting more customers. in the fields we already have product for. Thanks.
So your slide is showing that you are on in the market size of 2016, right? So up is there.
Where? Here?
No, no, next.
Oh, it's not on? Oh, it's not on. Can you look?
It's very light right now.
Yeah.
No, not So what it says, like you started November 2016, you have like a BMW after a year. So 10 customers by now, like May, right?
Yeah. Well, we changed our business model in May 2018. Initially, we were charging companies one time, but we switched from one-time payment to payment for monthly subscription. Now we have this for BMW. We are working with others as well.
So how you get the BMW to use your CRM? I mean, they have
Well,
find out they have find it out you. I mean, they have searched it and find you as the best in the market. That's why they came to you.
No, they were disappointed of their CRM system. Initially, they have their CRM systems, and we even have a research. BMW Armenia had 33% of growth in number of customers grew 33% and users of CRM since they started using our CRM.
Also, you're asking how they find us. They are looking for experienced programmers and asking for people where they can find them. And so they find us. No, we have some course for different programs. So we have core CRM, and we adapt it for them. And then when we see that happen many times with different companies, then we come to this solution, trying to create something that will be like, do you know what's WordPress? So it'd be like WordPress for CRMs. So have stable core for general, and create themes for different business models, like car industry and etc. And then plugins for features.
Now you are offering free trial or it's paid?
It's paid. We can demonstrate you when in the,
The sales, like even HubSpot is offering free version that you can use for free of charge.
we can show them we can demonstrate our CRM to them, but no, still no.
Okay.
But we will work on it.
Okay. So, judges, do you have any?
Give it for free.
So, can you give the mic here? You have some feedback for them?
If you could make your slides a bit like simple, and in the first slide you had some statistics. If you could add the source of the, you said Salesforce was it, you know, but it's a simple way because it's all scattered what you have there. And I have a question. Maybe after I can ask. I didn't understand if you have received the seed fund until now or not. Nothing. Blackface.
Thank you. Now we have Cyber Mantis games. And after that, we will have Ors. Ores? Okay.
Before start, yeah. Okay.
Ready? Cyber Mantis games.
One. Can you hear me?
Okay.
About
Armenian hero, David of Sassoon. Here is he. But I'm not here to talk about our game. I'm here to talk about our business. In 1 year, we're gonna sell 1 million copies of our game. And I'm gonna show you how. The best marketing in our industry is done through publishers. Here are two publishers who are already interested in us. We are in touch with them, and but they requested a playable demo in order to sign a contract. We are 70% done with our playable demo, so we are on our last push. Our personal preference is Devolver Digital. They have sold 33 million copies of their and okay. Here is another example of through publisher we're gonna sell our game, largest game distributor in the whole world. Steam daily active users. We're gonna sell 500,000 copies through Steam, and the rest of our goal will be sold through players. And our target audience is a player in his 30s to play cultural games and is spending 4 to 7 hours a week to play video games. He bought game about ancient Greece, ancient Egypt, and Tibet, and playing a game about a culture as ancient as Armenia is right up their alley. Okay, let's talk about team. In video game industry, you have to have a lot of talent and different professions. We have a beard for this TV. And we have programmers, game designers, business manager, marketer, modeler, animator, big team, and with amazing talent. How can you help us? Okay, for finalizing a demo, we need to add animators to our team. That's where 7 Startup Summit can help us. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Here we have a little teaser for you.
1 minute left.
So thank you for good presentation. All the art, all the music, everything done by your team.
Except music. The music is done by a band. We are in touch with them. We want to make their music in our game. It's an Armenian band. Yeah, it's Sad Nova actually. The main music is Sad Nova.
So next question gonna be, can you show longer demo?
A longer demo. We have a playable.
Or playable game.
Yeah, we can, but not right now, not right here, because you have to go and play yourself.
Maybe I came here with the money and want to see why you are not showing me the game.
If you are an investor and you are interested in us, we are always welcome to show you the game, but after the presentation,
Okay.
because we have less time. I want questions.
Okay. So,
Maybe I can
More about the financials.
Okay, let's go for the questions. So, just having like a 450 million Steam users is not guaranteeing that you will have 1 million. So, I want to hear how you will deliver these to people who are buying this culture
Through
games.
publisher. That publisher has amazing sales. Which game is billions.
And all from the same
Devolver
the same
Digital,
time?
the publisher.
I mean,
he's
they are
taking
doing
our 30% from the revenue, and he's doing all marketing for us in all our industry. And the publisher is already talked to us, and we are in contact with them. That already means that our game costs already something. So we are in touch with them, waiting for our final demo. So decide sign the contract.
So can you prepare the final demo without any investment, or you just need something to be able to deliver that?
But I need to add more animators for better quality. We always say we're gonna go for best quality.
So how long is the gameplay right now without these extra animations? And so how long you can play?
Right now it's something like 15 minutes? Yes, 15 minutes. But it's not finished yet. It's our more like tech demo. There are 30% to add. Right now we have location, we have more characters. One thing is left. We are using Unity to put everything in Unity and combine everything to it. That's what's left. So we're gonna have a longer demo, like a 30 minutes demo.
How many programmers in team?
There are 2 programmers.
And who work with all the other
Like artists, concept artists, animator, 3D modelers, character designers, game designer.
The only missing
writer.
part is animators right now.
What?
Only missing
Yeah, we have
parts
one. Like most of us have experience in video game industries and other industries too. But our animator is a starter, so we need a better animator to have an epic demo. Thank you.
Do you have any feedback for him?
Great, yes. I mean, the youngster deployment, like I imagine, I can see this game soon. Really, and the Indian culture, so
It's gonna be PC only or the mobile?
It's gonna be PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, and also we have thought to, after all of that, go to iOS, because not Android for sure, because in the gaming industry people are not buying games on Android. So we are gonna go iOS. We are not expecting iOS, but like it's nice to have our game in a lot of devices. So the iOS is our last step of the game.
Great job. I want to play the game.
Guys,
Thank you. The next one is Ures. We all set?